Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Microsoft Outlook. This integration allows you to sync your emails, contacts, and calendar events between both platforms, making it much easier to manage your communications and customer relationships all in one place. First, open your browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, sign in to your HubSpot account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one or start a free trial to get access to HubSpot's features. After signing in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard, which serves as your main hub for managing all your marketing, sales, and service activities. Now that you're in the dashboard, look up at the top navigation bar where you'll find the marketplace icon. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the expanded menu that appears, select HubSpot Marketplace. This is where you'll find all available integrations and apps that work with HubSpot, allowing you to extend its functionality and connect it with other tools you use daily. Once you're in the marketplace, you'll see a search field at the top of the page. Type Outlook into this search field and press Enter. The marketplace will display results related to Outlook integrations. Look through the listings and locate the official Microsoft Outlook integration for HubSpot. This is the one you want to ensure seamless compatibility and reliable syncing between the two platforms. Click on the Microsoft Outlook listing to open its details page. Here, you'll find comprehensive information about what the integration offers, including features like email tracking, meeting scheduling, and contact syncing. Take a moment to review these details so you understand how the integration will enhance your workflow. On the integration page, you'll see an Install button. Go ahead and click it to begin the installation process. Before proceeding, please note that this integration requires an active Microsoft 365 subscription to function properly. Make sure you have this in place before completing the installation. The system will guide you through any additional authorization steps needed to connect your Microsoft account with HubSpot, and that's it. Your HubSpot and Microsoft Outlook accounts are now integrated, allowing you to streamline your communication workflows and keep everything synchronized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.